Welcome back to Cooking with Cass. Today we're going to be making halal beef ragu. We're going to start by frying about 6 cloves of garlic in olive oil. We used about 6 medium-sized cloves, but in total we ended up with about 3 tablespoons of garlic. We want to cook that until fragrant and lightly browned. Once that's smelling good, we'll set it aside. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to see all our halal recipes. Then in our slow cooker, we'll place 28 ounces of tomato sauce, our garlic with the oil, 1/4 cup of halal beef broth, 2 bay leaves, then we'll season with salt and pepper to taste. We used about half a teaspoon in ours. Next we'll add 2 to 3 large peeled and chopped carrots. Add 2 pounds of chuck roast from the link in the description, cut into large chunks. I recommend chopping the carrots smaller than we did. When we went to eat this, they were just a little bit too large to eat easily. Once the meat and tomato sauce are all mixed up, we'll add 4 sprigs of thyme. Then cover and cook on high for 5 hours or until the beef is tender. Once that meat is done, we'll place it on a plate or in a mixing bowl and shred it with forks. This step can take some time, but it makes our pasta that much easier to eat later. If you'd prefer not to shred this though, you could always swap in our halal beef stew meat instead and serve as tender pieces. Now that our chuck roast is all shredded, we'll return it to our slow cooker and mix until the sauce is evenly distributed throughout the beef. Finally, we come to serving. We chose pappardelle pasta for our ragu, but any short, flat noodle should work. I decided to use 2 scoops of noodles for my bowl, then I topped the noodles with our ragu and carrots, and then I finished it with a hefty sprinkle of Parmesan because it's one of my very favorite cheeses, a dollop of ricotta cheese, and some freshly chopped parsley. Then I called it good. And that's it for this week's recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll hope to see you next time.